Welcome to Outrageous English. Still learning English? Still stumbling across the odd word or two that confuses and confounds? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Each video I focus on one expression or word and discuss the true meaning, as well as the way it is applied in day-to-day life. And don't forget, the full transcript for each video can be found in the description below on YouTube. So sit back, cocksuckers, and learn outrageous English from a native. Today's word, frig. F-R-I-G. Frig. The etymology, taken from the Middle English frigging, meaning to quiver or tremble. It also held the meaning to move restlessly or excessively, and is dated to around 1450. Around the middle of the 16th century, this word acquired the meaning of to have sex, and roughly 100 years later, so around 1650, gained the meaning of to masturbate, the meaning which holds to this day. All right, let's go. Word types of frig: noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. As a verb, it is regular, so the infinitive form is to frig, the past tense form is frigged, the past participle is frigged, and finally, the progressive form is frigging. All right, usage one, as a verb to frig, or as a phrasal verb to frig off. A vulgar term for to masturbate, particularly for a woman, often used as a phrasal verb with the addition of the preposition off. Example one, Sophie likes to frig herself whilst watching Brad Pitt movies. Example two, I was feeling sexy, so frigged myself off before going to the restaurant to meet Stephen. So when a woman masturbates, we can say she is frigging herself or frigging herself off. Note the addition of self to the pronouns above, herself, myself. This tells us that in this context, the verb is reflexive. Neat, no? Usage two, as a noun, the substantive or noun form of the verb to frig. Example one, I had a lovely frig this morning while my boyfriend watched. Example two, before I go to work, I generally have a nice frig. So when a woman masturbates, we can add the article a or the to make it a noun. Usage three, as a noun, in the form of frigger. F-R-I-G-G-E-R. Frigger. Somebody we do not like. Example one, the new guy at work is such a frigger. Example two, Donald Trump is popular with some, but others think he is a frigger. So we don't like this person. We want to express that. We can call them a frigger. But as with every example of this word, no matter the form, it is very vulgar. Usage four, as a noun, again in the form frigger, something difficult, irritating, or objectionable. Example one, I need to get to London for 7 a.m, but the buses are not convenient. It's a frigger. Example two, my phone just died and I can't afford a replacement. What a frigger. When we are irritated, upset, or angry about something, the thing we are angry with can be described as a frigger. Usage five, as an adjective or adverb to add emphasis. Example one, the guy in front is driving so frigging slowly, I want to punch him. Example two, the exam was so frigging difficult, I think I failed. So, used only for emphasis, it adds no extra information, just reinforces what we are saying. Note here, the word is either an adjective or an adverb, dependent upon the word that follows. Some will insist this is not true, but we can see through usage that the logic holds. Sorry, grammar Nazis, get a life. Usage 6, figuratively, as a phrasal verb, to frig something up, to make a mistake or do something badly. Example 1, I tried my best in the exam, but I think I frigged it up. Example 2, I tried to fix the car, but now it is worse. I really frigged it up. So, to suggest that something has gone wrong or badly. Usage 7, figuratively, as a phrasal verb, to suggest damage or injury with or without the preposition up. Example 1, I played football last night and really frigged up my knees. Example 2, I worked in the garden yesterday and now my back is frigged. We are injured in some way or something is damaged. It is frigged or frigged up. Your choice. Usage 8, to misbehave, act foolishly, or not take something seriously, in the expression to frig around. Example 1, I'm trying to concentrate. Stop frigging around, please. Example 2, the play was very serious, but the actors seem to be frigging around. So, if we are behaving in a way that is not very serious in the context of the situation, we are frigging around. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss a single video. Now, fuck off.